Meaning of high definition.
High definition.
High definition.
High definition.
High definition. High definition refers to a display resolution that is significantly higher than standard definition, typically at least 720 vertical lines or 1080 horizontal lines. This results in a clearer and more detailed image with greater clarity and sharpness. It allows for more detail to be seen compared to lower resolution displays, making it particularly suitable for gaming, movies, and TV shows. High-definition technology has revolutionized the way we consume media, providing a more immersive experience that's closer to reality.